This is a 2009 Acura TSX. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity discharge headlights, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a brake assist system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.